I participated in undergraduate research experience, which familiarized me with some of the research and faculty at Cal State Fullerton. And while in the program, I would walk around the building and look at different labs to see the information they had posted outside their doors. And I would look at their published work, read the publications or posters, and I would get an idea of how recently they had published and as well identified who the primary investigator was or PI. I also looked at the school's website to learn more about the professors in the college and learn about their research labs. I knew I wanted to get into a microbiology lab, so I made a list of all the PIs that did research around microbiology, and I was fortunate to meet and connect with some of the peer advisors and other students that were in a lab or had information about the lab. They mentioned several PIs that were in the microbiology field, and I made sure to get down their names. So what steps did I take to become a researcher in their lab? I did a lot of preparation before emailing any professors or primary investigators whose labs I was interested in. I drafted an email and contacted some of the professors that knew me well as a student. And I met with them and let them know I'm planning to apply for a research lab and I would appreciate their input in revising my introductory email to the PI. They helped me focus on creating something simple and to the point. PIs are usually very busy people, and when I emailed the potential PI, I made sure to include a updated resume in my email that highlighted skills I could apply in their lab, as well as a personal statement. It took me about a month to create an email that I was confident in sending to the PI. And after that, the PI had emailed me back, met with me, and the next thing I knew, I was signing paperwork to start doing research in their labs. What was your experience like and what are the expectations? So I was able to join Dr. Ramirez's lab, and the lab research focuses on antibiotic resistance. Since joining the lab, I have been working on combining multiple antibiotics to see if there's a greater effect against the bacteria. My experience in Ramirez's lab has been really great. The lab itself is always busy. There's always someone doing experiments, which is good because there's always research being done. The lab is very well organized as well. You have space to do your experiments. We have a little study space in our lab, and the expectations in our lab are just to get our work done, be kind and respectful to one another, and work together as we are a lab family, and we're all striving to do great things and make our PI proud. So, what outcomes are you hoping will result from your research with this professor? As a result of joining this lab, I expect to gain experience in a microbiology research lab, learn new skills, build a relationship with my PI, and get good letters of recommendations for graduate school.